Hi, I am Anand from WebTech Street. In this video, I will show you how to create a category page layout using AnyWhere Elementor Pro. So before we start, let's have a look at the default category page layout. Here I am using the theme GeneratePress, and you can see this is the default category page layout of GeneratePress theme. And we are going to transform it into something like this one. So let's start with the process. I already have the GeneratePress theme and the AnyWhere Elementor Pro installed, and the process I am going to describe here is introduced in the version 2.3. So if you have a version prior to this, then please update it before using the way I have described here. So we will move to the create a new template. Just click on add new template. Now here, first give it some title, some user-friendly title that you can refer later on. And now the main setting is AnyWhere Elementor settings. Here we will choose the render mode as Taxonomy archive template. This Taxonomy archive template is applicable on categories and also on the custom taxonomies. So if you have any custom taxonomies, then they will appear in this drop down here. The next field we have is a preview term. So we are going to create a category layout for all the categories, but for the preview purpose we have to select a single category here. So I already have some categories created. So you just type your name, the name of your category here, and it will appear in the drop down. I have a category named food. Just select it. The next option is auto apply. If you want this template to be applied to all the categories, then just select it. Or you can also select the templates to the individual categories separately. So you can create multiple templates and assign it to different categories. We will see this later on. For now, we just select auto apply. Now, the next option is override theme layout. Just select this. We have another way in which we retain the theme structure and just override the individual post structure, but we will cover this in a later video, another tutorial. Now there is another option to enable canvas. If you want the category page to appear in an Elementor canvas template, you can choose this, but for now we will just leave it as it. Now we are done with the AnyWhere Elementor settings. Now based on your theme, there are some other options available here. So as I don't want to have any sidebar, any footer widgets to appear when I am designing the layout, so I will just remove all of them. And once all the settings are done, just click on save. Just hit the publish button and this post, yes, AE template is saved. Now start with the designing process. Just click on edit with Elementor. Here you will see a lot of widgets under the AE template elements. We are going to use these widgets to design the layout. So we will first start with the AE title. This widget is earlier named as AE post title. We have renamed it to AE title. Now it can be used as a post title widget when you are designing a single post layout, and also a archive title when you are designing a category archive, taxonomy archives, or custom post type archives. Here it will just show you the text as archives, but when this template will be applied to the other your categories, it will replace with the respective category name. Here you can design it in the way you want. So we have titles all set. Now the next widget we will use is the AE post blocks widget. If you have used Elementor Pro's post widget, this will seems similar to you, but with some enhancements. In the source, we will be selecting the option current archive. When you choose the current archive, it will fetch the post of the respective category on which this template has been applied. And the next option is template. Template is something that defines how the individual post item will look here. So if you are getting this template drop-down as blank, then you will have to create a block layout first. I will show it in detail in another tutorial. Here I have already created some block layouts, so I will select one of them. So I already have a lot of block layouts created. So I just selected one and all the posts are shown in based on that template. Here you can see that we have pagination also. You can design the pagination. You can also design the layout structure. You can choose from the grid mode and list mode and number of columns, row gap, column gaps. You can also design and control the pagination options, whether you want to show the pagination yes or no, and also how you want the pagination to look like. You can design the colors and add border to it. So this is the AE template we have designed and it is done. Just saved it, and now we will look at our category page. This is the default category page. Now let's refresh it. And done. As you can see, the template we have designed has been applied to this category because we have selected the auto apply to yes. That means this template will be applied to all the categories by default. As you can see, this is another category fashion, and this is also using the same template because it was set to apply globally. Now we will see another process in which you can define template for individual categories. So let's move to the category. Now edit any category on which you want to apply a different template. In the category edit page, you will get a drop down AE Pro templates. You can select the different category layouts you have created. So I just select another layout other than the one I have applied globally. And this, as you can see, the fashion category layout is completely transformed into another one. So in this way you can create a layout for categories and custom taxonomies. You can create a single layout and apply it globally to all the terms, or you can also create individual layouts and apply it to specific categories and custom taxonomy items. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe our channel to get notified about the more tutorials that we are creating for AnyWhere Elementor Pro. Thanks a lot.